Yes, follow me as we continue from where we stopped. We are going to look at Pythagoras theorem. We had yesterday we were given the formulas on how to calculate Pythagoras theorem, but in this lesson, we are going to analyze the right angle triangle, and we are told that in a right Pythagoras theorem is only obeyed in a right angle triangle. That is where you apply Pythagoras theorem. Outside the right angle triangle, Pythagoras theorem is not obeyed. So take note, let it be behind you. And we have seen the formulas to calculate Pythagoras theorem. If you don't know, go back to the previous slide. You will see it there. So now, you can see we want to analyze this right angle triangle. You can see that there are uppercase letters here, that is capital letters, and smaller case letters. The uppercase letters is used to denote the angle of the triangle. This is angle A, angle B, and angle C. The smaller case letters are used to denote the side of the triangle. That is side A, side B, and side C. This is a right angle triangle. The longest side of a right angle triangle is called the hypotenuse. It's called the hypotenuse. So now we want to see how we can apply, we can do some calculation. If here is 3, here is 4, and you are asked to look for A, you just simply apply A squared is equals to 3 squared plus 4 squared. So A squared is equals to, this means 3 times 3 is 9, plus 4 times 4 is 16. A squared is equals to 9 plus 16 is 25. A is equals to square root of 25, and square root of 25 is 5. So you can see how simple it is using Pythagoras theorem. So we are going to look at another problem. Like a problem we saw in JAM. One thing I want you to understand is that Pythagoras theorem is only applied in a right angle triangle. You might be given the side of the angle, and you are asked two sides of the angle, and you are asked to look for the third side. You apply Pythagoras theorem only when it is a right angle triangle. So take note of that, it's very important. What I want you to understand in mathematics, we don't memorize mathematics, we understand mathematics. Until you understand mathematics, mathematics will continue fighting you. So take note, we don't memorize mathematics, we understand mathematics. Mathematics is not difficult, it's not hard. But because of the fear of math that is making some of those persons who feel math is difficult to be afraid of math. No. Mathematics is only the understanding of the procedures. So like what we are doing here on the board. Now you might be given another problem to solve. Now we are given a set of numbers. Set A. We are given set A to be 4, 5, 4, 5, 6. Set B. We are given set B to be 6, 7, 8. We are given set C to be 5, 12, 13. And we are given set D to be 7, 10, 12. And now we are asked to which of the following sets of numbers can form a right angle triangle. Which of the following sets of numbers can form a right angle triangle? This is a question. It's a question that appeared in JAM. It's a question that also appeared in WAEC. So for you students, it is not a problem. So just watch. These are sets of numbers given to us. We are asked that which of these set of numbers form a right angle triangle. Now we see, you can see 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So if the square of these two sides, the sum of the square of these two sides, and you square root it, the result will give, if the result gives you this third number, that means that that is a right angle triangle. But if it does not, it's not a right angle triangle. So let us see. For time's sake, I want to use the proper answer, and the proper answer is the C. Now let us look at C. It will become square 5 squared plus 12 squared. 5 squared plus this 5 times 5 is 25, plus 12 times 12 is 144. Now this is, if you add this to this, it's going to give you 169. This 169. 169. So the square of this, the square root of 169, you look for a number that when you multiply the number 2 times by itself will give you 169. And once the answer will be 13, because if you multiply 13 times 13 will give us 169. So we can now see that squaring the square of the sum of these two numbers give us this. That means that this is the line that form a right angle. This other line, line A, line B, and line D, does not. If you apply the same procedure we did here for other angles, you will see that if you do it, they will not have the same value here. The only line that form a right angle triangle is line C, like what we have done. If you want to try it and you want to confirm, do it there as you watch me and see. So this is where we are going to draw the curtain for today, and we are going to meet for more updates. Stay blessed.